Factor the polynomial. There are four terms here, so this is not going to be a situation where you have to split up the middle term. There isn't one. But with four terms, what you can do is you can go straight to the factor by grouping method. So what you want to do first is you want to look and see if there's anything in common with all four terms. 2, 8, 5, 20. No, there's nothing in common with all four of these terms, so you can't take something out, which is called a monomial. You can't take that out first. So now we're going to look for factor by grouping. Let's try and take a common factor out of these first two terms. The 2's in common, so that comes out. And x to the third and x squared, there's an x squared in common. So we'll put what's left in parentheses. 2x squared times what makes 2x to the third? That's an x. And then 2x squared times what makes negative 8x squared? That's a negative 4. Now let's see what's in common with the next term. I'm just going to put a plus here because of the plus sign right there. 5x and negative 20, there's a 5 in common. So what's left goes into parentheses. 5 times what makes 5x? That's an x. 5 times what makes negative 20? That's negative 4. So there's an x minus 4 and an x minus 4, which means you can group. So your grouping is going to look like this. 2x squared plus 5. And then times x minus 4. And there is your factored polynomial.